If you watch my shorts, you know that I've recently started working on a cable knit wristlet that I'm test knitting for a friend. And this is my first time working cables, so I wanted to kind of show you guys how I've been doing it. And so this cable is 10 stitches across. So we take 5 stitches and set them off on other needles. And for this cable, the way that we're twisting it, these stitches go behind. So you can see how I'm kind of setting it up there. And then the other 5 stitches of the cable, I would start by knitting those. And it's actually a really cool process. I was surprised at how quickly and how neatly the cables came together. So you knit your 5 other stitches. And then once you have the 5 of them knitted, then you bring your cable, the one that you have set aside, and you put them back onto your working needle. And so this takes a little bit of manipulating, especially as you're starting to get used to it, but I found it easy enough to get them from my kind of holder needle and back onto my regular needle. Some people have like special cable holders, or some people might use like stitch markers or something like that. I had these needles from another project, so it was easy enough for me to just set the cables on that, or set the stitches on that to wait. They just have to be somewhere while you're, not working on them. And then once you have them back on your needle, then you're going to knit those 5 stitches, or however many stitches across your needle is. I found this part to be a bit trickier, and I found that my needles were a little bit harder to manipulate. The stitches ended up being very tight. So if you have any tips for this, definitely let me know in the comments below, because again, this is my first time working cables, and I'm certainly open to learning more about the experience. But as you can see, I kind of managed to get all 10 of them on there, and it twists. It's really cool. So then I wanted to show you kind of a couple of rows later how it's looking. And so the first row around, I tried to record it, but unfortunately I forgot to hit record. So this, I think, is 2 rows further. So you can see it's a lot easier. My stitches aren't nearly as tight. They kind of loosened up every row that I went along. And so it's super easy to just be knitting along. And you can see the way that the cables are kind of starting to come to life. And I actually ended up knotting my yarn here by accident, so I couldn't keep going to show you, but it's been really fun, this whole experience.